everyone, so today I decided I was gonna finalize my titles for my final rough cuts. And basically I just wanted to do the screen recording so that I could show you how it works, but also that I have it on screen record, which I think is quite useful. I'm gonna start out with the company items. Basically, if you want to create a title, you always go into here under T. And I mean, if you go under all, you have all sorts of different kinds of transition effects and whatever for your titles. I mean, there's so many. Basically, after doing my audience feedback on my titles, I decided to go for a transition called spin cycle. So I'm just gonna pull this one over. And I also decided to go for one called feature. I'm just gonna use the spin cycle once because it's very basic, so it's quite good to watch one time, but not the whole time. So yeah, that's basically why. Also, I'm gonna use the one called feature, which is up here somewhere. There we go. Which I'm gonna put right there. There we go. As you all know, there are quite a lot of titles that need to put in, so I'm not gonna screen record all of them unless it goes quite fast. So yeah, we're gonna start with the first one, which is the title. So basically, you double click here, you go line 1 text, take it away, and then you write whatever you want to write first. In our case, we're writing the company items first, which are a Dizzy Cow Production presents. Yeah, and then basically you highlight it again, you can go down here and you choose the font whichever you want to use. For us, we decided to go for the font called Friday the 13th because we just think it really denotes the genre. We like the fact that there's such a great link to Friday the 13th, so yeah, that's why we're using this one. And I mean, then you can also change the size of it. So I'm gonna make it 58, so that's quite clear, people can read it, and yeah. Then you can continue to the next one. Subtitle, click on it again, comes up here, and again, you change it. So it goes quite fast and easy once you get the hang of it. But yeah. It's also quite fun to do because you can work around with different kind of fonts. But like I said, we chose this one to compare it to Friday the 13th. Then there's the last one, which is information. We're going to change that as well to in association with Pizza Productions. And yeah, then we have the company items. Friday the 13th, there we go. 58. And then we have those. Quite good. Moving on to the next titles, which are going to be starring. So they're decided to use feature, as I said already. I have the first one, title, feature, where it's gonna say starring. And then again, I'm gonna change it into the same font so that we have the same font all the time. Because otherwise it can also be confusing for the audience if the font keeps changing. This I'm gonna make a bit bigger even. There we go, 77. And yeah. Again, you can then continue. We think the way it fades away here is just really good because it's like a crime letter, so it's kind of like the words keep changing and the letters keep changing. So yeah, we really like that effect. We decided to use names such as Chris Hemsworth and Kristen Connolly from the movies, The Cabin in the Woods. We thought it would be very good to use these, and then we also went for the name Adrian King, which is one of the main actors from Friday the 13th. So again, we thought it would be quite good to show the link we have with these two movies, since these are the two movies we've been inspired by the most. Also, we thought that Chris Hemsworth and someone like Kristen Connolly were someone people would really know, so yeah, that's why. Okay, moving on. There's none left, so we pull one over again. Feature comes up again here, title. Now is the next bit, which I'm going to call introducing. Where I'm then gonna put the names of the two actors which are actually already in the film opening. So Jonathan Paris and Bronwyn Vaughn. Also, the introducing bit means that later on in the movie there will be other actors which are gonna appear in the movie, because I mean this is only the film opening of it, so yeah. And then again, feature. Which is then gonna be edited by which I'm actually gonna put right under. And then again, change the font. So yeah, then you get it. 58. Keep going. Cinematography or cinematographer, Bronwyn Vaughn. Or 58, maybe that fits as well. Yep. And then, furthermore, there's still some missing. So as you can see, a title sequence takes quite a lot of time, so I mean, but we're nearly there. But yeah. At the moment, I think you get quite the hang of how titles work, so now I'm gonna stop the screen recording, but yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you understand now how to create titles using Final Cut Pro. Thank you very much.